Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Chevy Silverado 3500. Stock number is A6393A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side. Looking at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch as well as rear backup sensors and a camera. Rhino lining spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Both passenger and driver seats are heated seats, and the driver's side has 2-point memory controls. 4-wheel drive, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touch screen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this 3500 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.